Take the humble cabbage to a whole new level with these mouth-watering cheesy cabbage steaks. Take your cabbage and simply remove the tip of the core. Cut off a little bit from the side to give yourself a flat surface, and then cut your 1-inch thick slices. Line a baking sheet with foil, and then drizzle a little bit of olive oil and place your pieces of cabbage on the tray. In a small bowl, combine your olive oil, your onion powder, salt, and smoked paprika. Give it a good mix, and then brush generously on top of your cabbage. A little bit of freshly cracked pepper, and then into the preheated oven for 25 minutes. Then remove from the oven, place some cheese on top, and place under the broil. Garnish with bacon bits and fresh dill, and you're ready to serve. Remember to keep your loose pieces of cabbage to make a nice coleslaw. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel and on the video for more recipes.